Good morning, student. Now today we will start again chapter 2 polynomial of class 9 mathematics, and what we will do today we know very well. Then we how we can find out the remainder, and remainder theorem I already explained in previous class. And there are two methods. First, we can determine the remainder by long division method or by the remainder theorem. And I will explain this equation by remainder theorem or by long division method, which already was explained to you in previous class. And the first, find the remainder. We have to find out remainder when this x की power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. It means this is divided by x minus 1. That means this is dividend and this is divisor. First we will solve by the long division method. But the exercise, or you have to find out the remainder. If the question will ask from you, please listen carefully. If the question will ask find the remainder, then you need not to find the remainder by long division method. You have to find out the remainder only by the remainder theorem. When the question will ask to find the remainder, need not to solve by the long division method. Just I am explaining how we have to divide. Is it clear? And now by long division method, first A, by long division method. I am again saying, please don't solve by long division method. I want to explain you only the division of two polynomial, which I have already explained to you. Why I am explaining? In coming question, in the next question from next exercise, if there will be divide, then you have to do yourself and try yourself. Long by division method. First, how we can find out the remainder? It is your px. What is px? Px is equal to x की power 4 plus x की power 3 minus 2x square plus x plus 1, and gx, this is your gx, is x minus 1. And we have to divide px by gx. And how we have to divide? Please be careful. First, x की power 4 plus x की power 3 minus 2x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. First term, this is already in standard form. It is already in standard form. What we do first? First term divided by first term. X power 4 is divided by x. Here we will do some working note. X की power 4 means first term of dividend divided by first term of divisor. X की power 4 divided by x. We have to apply the law of exponent. What is the law of exponent? X की power a divided by x की power b, x a minus b. So x 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. It is quotient, x की power 3. And now this quotient we have to multiply to this one. Why we have multiplied this quotient to this one? If I will ask 18 divided by 4 to 4 is 16, and this 16 is come when we multiply 4 to 4. When quotient multiply divisor, here is quotient and this is divisor, and x cube multiply to x minus 1. And now x cube, and we will put bracket x minus 1, and now open bracket. This x cube is multiplied to x. What is your answer? X की power 4, and this x cube is multiplied 1 minus x cube. And we have to write like term below like term. Here is x की power 4, next one is minus x की power 3. And now we have to subtract. And now 18, here is 16. Now we have to change sign. Subtract. Here is 2. What I have done at here? 16 subtract from 18 by changing the sign of 16. And now we have to subtract x की power 4 from x की power 4 minus x की power cube from x की power cube. To subtract, we have to change the sign. It will minus and it will plus. Both are same. It will cut. Either you have to cut or put 0. Here is plus 1 x cube. Here is plus. Here is 1. Now we have to check this sign, not this sign. We need not to check this sign. We have to check only this sign. This is plus 1, and here is plus 1, plus 1, 2, plus x cube is same. And now carry on. Same you have to carry on. Plus minus 2x square plus x and plus 1. And now again, this will be the new dividend. It is now dividend and this is again divisor. Divisor is same. Dividend will change every time until the dividend will be not equal to, the degree of dividend will be less than 0. That will form a remainder. And now again this 2x cube divided by first term of this 2x cube divided by x. 2x cube divided by x. What is your answer? Tell me. Here is 1. 2 divided by 1. 2. Here is power 3. Here is power 1. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 2. So x 3 minus 1 x power 2. So it is plus 2x power 2. And this is quotient, and now we have to multiply 2x की power 2, 2 1 x minus 1. What I have to write? X minus 1. And now open bracket. Open bracket. This multiply to this one and this multiply to this one. Now multiply it. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 x square into x cube minus 2x square into 1, 2x square. And again we have to write 2x cube minus 2x square. And now sign change, you know it very well. Plus, it is minus, it is plus. This will cut. Minus 2 and plus 2 both are same. This will also cut. And now what is your answer? X plus 1. Carry on. 1 is carry on. X plus 1. What is the degree of this x? 1. Degree of this x? 1. But the degree of remainder is always less than the degree of divisor. So it means it again act as a dividend. So x is divided by x. X divided by x, which is equal to 1. Here we will write 1. And this 1 multiply to x minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. Here we will write x minus 1. And now same sign. And this x will cut. 1 plus 1, this is 2. So remainder is 2. Remainder is equal to 2. By count division method, we can find out the remainder in this way. But if the question will ask divide this by this, then you have to divide. If the question will ask find the remainder, you need not to find the remainder by this method. And we have to find out the remainder only by remainder theorem, and which was discussed in previous class. And here I am finding the remainder by the remainder theorem. Next, we have to again find out the remainder. Check it. By remainder theorem. This is your px and put x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 1. It means px is equal to x की power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. Then remainder. What will be the remainder? Can you tell me? By remainder theorem. Remainder, put value of x which is equal to 1, then remainder is equal to p1. It means p1 is the remainder where 1 is come from x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1, then remainder is p1. It means when px is divided by gx, x minus 1, then remainder will be p1. And now what is the value of p1? Exact value of the remainder which is equal to p1, and what is its numerical value? Now we have to find out. So it is px, we have to find out p1. Mean we have to put 1 in place of x. 1 in place of x means 1 power 4 plus 1 power 3 minus 2, 1 power 2 plus 1 plus 1. Here is, we put 1 in place of x, put 1, here is x, put value of x is equal to 1, and this will be same, plus, put x 1 power 3 is same, minus, and this is 2, and this x 1 and power is 2, plus is same, and 1 plus 1. And now p1 is equal to 1 power 4 is equal to 1, plus 1 power 3 is equal to 1, minus 2, 1 power 2 is equal to 1, plus 1 plus 2. Here is 1 plus 1, 2, minus 2 1 ja 2, plus 1 plus 2, or you can cut as you want to, it is 1. Either you can solve by addition subtraction. This 2 minus 2, 0, 1 plus 1, 2, then 2. P1 is the remainder which is equal to 2. It means remainder which is equal to P1, and the numerical value of the remainder is 2. And this is the way to solve, to find the remainder by the remainder theorem. If the question, again I am repeating, if the question will ask find remainder, then you have to find out remainder by remainder theorem. Is it clear? And now one question is also checked, and after that find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a divided by x minus a. It means find the remainder. Now what is this? Px is equal to x की power 3 minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Then gx equal to x minus a. Put gx is equal to 0. Means x minus a equal to 0. X equal to a. It means when px is divided by x minus a, then the remainder. What is the remainder? Remainder is equal to P bracket A. Why it is A? Because we will put the value of x is equal to A. Mean put A in place of x. In place of x. The remainder is PA. And now what is its value? We have to find out the value of PA. It means PX equal to, what is PX? X minus x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Then PA. It means we have to put a in place of x is equal to x a, means a in place of x equal to same. Here is x. We have to put a power 3 minus here is a. What is this? X. It means I have to put here is a whole square, and now plus 6. What is this? X. Put a minus a. It is PA remainder a cube minus a into a square plus 6a minus a, and now a cube minus a into a square. You know it very well. Base same, power add. Base same, power add. I am writing it there. Now what is this? PA is equal to a cube minus base same, power add. A base 1 plus 2 3, a की power 3 plus 6a minus a 5a. It will cancel. Yeah, subtract a cube minus a cube 0. So PA is equal to 5a. This is the remainder. So therefore remainder is equal to 5a. This is your answer. And do exercise 2.3 with example, and do long division method also from example. Do long division method from example. The example in which long division method you have to divide yourself, not cheat from example. Is it clear? And now complete this exercise. And the next topic we will discuss tomorrow, factor theorem. Factor theorem. Good luck. Be safe at home. Thank you.